Hello, my name's Emma Freud. This is Michel Roux Jr. Did I say that right?
Yeah, I think so.
And we're making your recipe, lapin au thym.
Au thym.
Oh, okay. Lapin au thym. Nice. It sounds complicated. He's quite complicated. It's the easiest recipe I've ever done in my whole life. So we're going to start it now and then put it in the oven and then come back to it.
Mm-hmm.
A bit like Blue Peter. It's me cooking, by the way. You're not allowed to do anything. You can just watch and criticise. I'm so nervous.
Would I dare?
Yes. I just made this man some coffee. And he went, oh, is there something in that coffee? And I went, yeah, it's a little bit hazelnutty. And I went, do you like it? And he went, no. So here is some rabbit, a chopped up rabbit, which I added a little bit of thyme, garlic and oil to last night, even though I knew that was naughty. Because the recipe didn't say so. So that's it, you do that. Then, ladies and gentlemen, you add, wait, salt, pepper and teaspoon of thyme. Okay, salt, pepper. Okay, I liberally salt.
Yes.
I'm going to say about that much for them all. Is that too much?
And quality salt, very important.
Always
Yep.
quality with me. So quite a lot of salt. Am I doing this right?
So far, so good.
Okay. And quite a lot of pepper.
I like pepper.
A tablespoon of thyme leaves. Now look, I'm giving you a choice here, chef. These sticky ones or these soft ones.
That looks great.
Lovely. Do I have to strip them or can I just chop it up and sprinkle?
Well, seeing as you put twigs in there already, I'm not allowed to touch them. Sorry.
No. I can take the twigs out. Do I take the twigs out?
No.
No.
You know what? I would just leave that like that, and then we can add some thyme at the end, and that way it won't burn, won't dry out.
Oh,
this,
okay.
this is the one. This thyme in here will really flavour it, and then fresh thyme at the end will give it another layer.
I know what I'm doing. Now, 6 tablespoons. 4 to 6 tablespoons. I'm going to go with 6.
Do you normally?
Never. I made this recipe for my family dinner as a practice because I was so nervous about you coming. And I did all the measuring out. And I thought, it's nice in the oven. It's all right. It's pretty simple.
Mm-hmm.
How many was that? What's 3?
I think we're up to 4 now.
This is 4.
Yeah.
I'm finished. I thought it was quite a lot of olive oil. That's more than I would ever have put in there. There's not enough spices and is that 5 or 6?
That's 6.
Thank you. I thought it's a little bit dull. So I had another rabbit because I bought excess rabbits. And I did my own one. Where I pan fried it first. I dusted it in a little flour that I'd flavoured. I added some amazing rosemary mustard. I put in some brandy. Shut up. I added some stock, some turkey stock, still left over from Christmas, in my fridge. I did it in the on top, whereas yours was in there. I lidded it so it could steam a bit. And I served both rabbit dishes to my family. We called it a rabbit off. And knowing that I was going to win because I had all these fantastic ingredients and you were just like salt, pepper and thyme, the end.
And?
You won.
Of course.
Why of course? Why would all my beautiful ingredients not have made it more delicious?
It's my grandma's recipe. It's simple. You don't need to mess around with it.
It's going in at 200
Yes.
for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Not only had a rabbit off and did my homework like that, I then found at the end of the evening I had some rabbit carcasses left over. So I made some rabbit stock and I thought, because this is a bit, I'm not going to say the word boring, but it's a bit simple, I thought we could have some French pouilly lentils cooked in rabbit stock with it. What do you think?
I think that's a very, very good move.
Do you?
That. Yes.
Okay, so you still can't cook, but you are allowed to help me a little bit with this. So
you got the pouilly lentils.
Oh, this one here. I've got the pouilly lentils. I've got the stock here. We're going to sieve some into there.
Yep.
Do we put the stock in first or the lentils in first? Or doesn't it matter?
Doesn't really matter.
Okay.
No, that should be enough. It's just for us, isn't it?
Yeah, but hello, I said you could help a little bit, but not like putting the lentils in.
Oh, right.
You can open the jar. What should we put in?
I see you're measuring.
Yeah, shut up. About that much?
Normally 2 parts to 1, so maybe get another spoonful.
Okay, now would you lid this? Oh, whoops. Would you put a lid on it, or would you?
Yes, I would. I'd take it up to boiling and then turn it down and put a lid on it.
Okay, I might do that.
You might.
I probably will. Coming up to boiling. And then how long would that be roughly, would you say?
Pre-lentils will take about 35-40 minutes.
I'll say about the same time as that. Yeah. It's 20 minutes later. We're back in the kitchen. And the rabbit is halfway through its cooking.
Yep.
And we need to, according to your recipe, take him out. Oh, it's looking lovely.
That does look good. It smells good too.
Very good. And we need to add, perfectly prepared by Anna, 12 of these shallots, peeled.
They're gorgeous. Love those.
Straight in.
Bags of flavour. Much better than the banana shallots.
Oh, is that right? Banana shallots are lovely because they're so easy to slice.
Yes, but these
taste better. You're so
much
right.
more flavour.
16 cloves of garlic.
Yes.
That's not too much garlic?
Oh!
Is there such a thing as too much garlic?
Of course not.
Okay. And I think that's it. Hang on. Add onion, shallots, and the garlic. And stir well and roast for 15 minutes.
Yeah, we can flip those over maybe.
Oh.
Get a nice even coating.
The oil.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, it is looking gorgeous down here.
That's it. Very nice. So even though it's wild rabbit, I'm sure it's going to be absolutely delicious.
But just a bit tough.
No.
Shaking's big with chefs, isn't it?
We do love a little shake.
Yeah, lentils. Hang on. Okay, so everything's a bit covered.
Yes.
Happy?
That's good.
Okay, going back in, 200 degrees, another 20 minutes. And then we can serve it with the lentils. Have a little look and see how these are going.
Oh, it smells good.
Rabbit stock smelling lovely.
Yeah.
Do you want to add anything at this stage?
No.
Literally nothing would make that better. A bit of red wine. No, why not?
No, we'll add butter at the end.
Butter. Not the salad dressing that I made specially. No.
Salad dressing.
I like putting a dressing on warm lentils.
You're sounding more and more like my grandma as well. Now, she always used to put a little bit of red wine vinegar on her lentils.
Yeah, very nice. So I made a dressing with mustard in it, so that'll be nice with the rabbit. And
No, I like the way you're thinking, but
no.
if I was going to say, if I'm serving it hot, then I would put butter in it.
What about some tarragon?
No,
Why not?
I'm not keen on tarragon. It's a bit too much aniseed flavour for me. I'm not keen on it.
See, I thought it was French. I thought it was Lapin, aniseed. Okay, what about some parsley?
No.
Nothing.
This is my recipe, isn't it?
Yeah. Goat's cheese?
No! Goat's cheese on rabbit.
No, goat's cheese on lentils.
If you were serving the lentils as a standalone dish, then maybe. But
Okay, but not with the rabbit.
No.
They're just going to have butter.
yeah.
Okay, sure. We'll be back in 20. "19 minutes have gone by. Got 1 minute before the little baby comes out. Some thyme, some nice soft thyme to sprinkle on top.
Just a little bit.
Oh,
Nice fingers.
quite a soft symbol.
That's it.
More?
No, that's plenty.
Well, it says 1 tablespoon.
That's almost a tablespoon, isn't it?
Do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. All right, chef. Okay, here we go.
Come
Are
on
you
then.
ready?
Moment of truth.
Oh, Michel, look at that.
That does look really nice, I must say.
Wow.
The little shallots as well, gone golden and brown.
And the garlic. Oh, that's gorgeous. God, it smells nice too. Okay, with the thyme on top.
Yeah, just a little sprinkling of thyme. And the thing is, if you put the herbs at the end like that, you still got that lovely sort of fragrant.
You get a top note.
Sweetness.
I like to call it a top note in my
right,
house.
Yeah. Okay, top note. I'll go with that.
Okay. What about a little bit of lemon? A little spritz? No. Bit of zest?
The only little bit of acidity that I would permit in there
Vinegar.
is a drop of red wine vinegar.
Should we go a little bit off piste?
Go on then.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
God, that smells good. Am I allowed to?
Have a little sniff. Oh, hello.
I'm not putting any on the meat, just on the bottom, so it'll lift up a little caramelised sugars. And you give a little swirl, a little shake.
Oh, it smells nice. Okay. gone off recipe.
Well,
I
you know
guess
what we
you're
could do?
allowed. What?
You've got a spoon there. And then you see all those little caramelised bits there?
Yeah.
If you just scrape that. So that's it, and that's sort of dissolved.
Yeah, isn't it?
That's all where that lovely flavouring gravy is.
Now, our lentils.
Yes.
Let's have a little look. Can you tell before eating them whether those are cooked?
Yeah, they look cooked. Do you mind if I have a little taste?
Oh, they're quite nice on the bottom. Look at that.
Oh, that is very nice.
I think they're overcooked. Have we overcooked them? You've overcooked them. I didn't overcook them.
I'm double dipping.
He overcooked them.
No, you know what?
What? Is that lovely? Do you want the butter?
You know what's made these so good?
The rabbit stock.
Yes, you're right.
Who made that stock? How much butter? I know. Okay, so this is the whole thing, isn't it, with restaurants? Is that when you put butter into something, you put like a ton of butter into everything, don't you? So how much butter would you put into that? All of it. Wow.
Have you got any more? No. One piece. That's fine.
Really?
Yeah,
Not two?
Come here, you. That's plenty.
I'm going to plate up. You're not. I am. Are you ready? Okay. I would not say
good.
this is my strength.
But people get all het up about plating and to make it look pretty. This style of food, this particular dish.
It's rustic.
Yes.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Which of these?
But the one little thing I would say about plating, people,
Yeah.
amateurs who always worry about plating up and making it look fancy and really nice on the plate, is white plates,
Yeah.
great, no patterns.
No patterns.
Really,
no splodges.
Really help. Less splodges as possible.
Can't bear a splodge.
And don't overcrowd the plate.
Oh, okay. This piece? What do we? Which is the nicest piece
I
here?
really
You like
fancy-
the saddle?
Yeah, I really fancy that because it's got lots of lovely,
crunchy.
yeah, crunchy, gnarly bits on it, which I think are going to be fun to pick up with my fingers and just go for it.
Oh,
Now you know what I want some of that.
you're quite demanding, aren't you?
No, I just know what I like.
I like to call that demand.
Looking at. No, I don't mind the oil. I don't.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me do
That's
it.
it.
Oh, man.
Yes, that's it.
And now you want some bread, don't you? Oh, look, and I've dribbled it all over my kitchen.
I'm salivating.
Watch this for decoration. So, this is Michel Roux Jr.'s Lapin au thym. What was it?
Michel Roux Jr.'s Lapin au thym.
With Emma Freud's lentils, au rabbit stock, and a bit of bread from our shop. And a big blob of butter.